Hi guys, this video is going to be a quick recap of January and how I kind of struggled through it, and then a February plan with me in my Hobonichi. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to 2020. I cannot believe it is the future. I haven't really been feeling those like new year, new you motivation or vibes so far, but I'm hoping today to clean up all the holiday decorations and just like clean the house and get a fresh start for the new year. So hopefully this month I can get into better habits about keeping the house clean and being healthier and just better business practices as well. So this month is really going to be focused on the hard part of setting those habits. January, we are going to reprogram how we think. And I'm gonna bring you guys along because I have no friends and I'm gonna talk to a camera. As much as I freaking love Christmas, I love putting away all the decorations and starting the year with a fresh, clean house. So after we got back from Disneyland, I put away all the decorations and went to work cleaning the house pretty much top to bottom, it felt like. As much as I absolutely love this home that I grew up in and inherited when my mom passed away, my goal is to get it at a rentable state so that I can start looking for a new place for Honey and I to share. I tried to start the year off kind of healthy. My boyfriend got me this blender for Christmas, which is kind of perfect for me because I don't love to cook, but I do love to make smoothies. They're quick and easy and delicious. So I tried to start the year off really healthy and be optimistic, but then I got sick. And it really kind of took me out of commission and I fell off the face of the earth. When I started feeling better though, I came back with a new haircut and hopes that would kind of rejuvenate me and get me started for January. I feel like we're already about halfway into January and I am just starting to like get my shit together and get motivated for the new year. I think I didn't feel as productive, maybe because I spent so much time in front of my sewing machine sewing these upcycled feed sack totes, which I've been selling on Etsy and now on my new website. But my main goal is to sew all of these feed sacks that I've collected over years into these upcycled tote bags and sell them at a farmer's market this summer. I think they would do really well in that market, so my goal is to have all of the bags done by summertime. And then I just went outside to thank my chickens for the fresh eggs and for the feed sacks that they give me. Hi YouTube, well, welcome back to my channel. It's been about a week and I haven't gotten my shit together. Like, I'm sure nobody is surprised. But I'm just about to do my Patreon live stream every Monday. We do a little hour-long live stream and I wear pink for Patreon. Mondays are always just really motivating for me, so I'm gonna do this live stream and we are gonna get after it, finally, for 2020. I can't be too hard on myself. We have gotten some stuff done and I've been sewing bags like crazy, so I'm gonna try and be less hard on myself. Alright, hi guys. So we just finished up the Patreon live stream and it was lots of fun. I still got my pink brows, pink shadow, but threw on a hat because I took the pink hair off. It's time to start the week. Monday live streams always just get me like creative and ready to tackle my little creative life. So I'm gonna go have lunch with my boyfriend because he has the day off today, and then hopefully get my life together or run some errands and try and get some stuff done around the house. Small goals. We were able to add some new recessed, sleek, bright, super bright lights into the kitchen and take out the old fixtures. There was an old ceiling fan and a bulky kind of yellow cast lighting fixture. So we still have to patch some holes and do some drywall work. It just feels really good to get some stuff done around the house, and the bright, beautiful lights make cooking so much more fun. Hi guys, happy Friday. I feel like I kind of got a little bit of a late start today. It's already the afternoon. Oh my goodness, it's 1, and I just now took a shower, threw on a face of makeup, and I'm ready to kind of get back to work. This morning I was busy uploading a new video to YouTube, which I am so excited about. I honestly didn't think I was ever gonna make more YouTube videos. I just kind of lost inspiration and motivation. So I made this new junk journal and I wanted to share the process with you, so you can check out that video. It's also in my junk journal playlist. And I'm just really excited to start filling up this cute little journal that I made with memories and with goodies. There was also a soft launch for my new website this morning, which is kind of nerve-wracking and really exciting. It bring up like kind of a lot of feelings though, because a lot of my girlfriends are like buying houses, starting families, getting married, having puppies and kitties and all this stuff, and I'm just like sitting over here like, I launched a website, I uploaded a video to YouTube. I don't know, I just feel like I'm really comparing myself. It brought up a lot of feelings this morning. Now I think I'm ready to like get back to work on the website because I want to add a lot of new products. I spent all of 2019 really kind of learning as much as I could about an online business and running a business from home, selling on Etsy, and all kind of the ins and outs of like running a small creative business. Now my goal for 2020 is to open my own shop and have my own little corner of the internet where I have full like creative control. I'm so excited to finally launch my Little Creative Life shop, and I need to put some new products in there. I am gonna get back to work. Maybe, even though I probably should spend like the rest of the day working on the website, I'm probably gonna go capitalize on this beautiful sunny California day and just spend a little time in nature, hopefully ground myself, rejuvenate myself, and get back at it with the website and listing all the new products. So I really feel like I struggled through January, but finally launching the website and just really getting excited for what's upcoming and all of the positive things in my life have me excited for February.
Looking back on January and editing together all of the footage was kind of bittersweet, because on one hand, if I'm not too hard on myself, I feel like I accomplished like the 3 main goals of being healthier. I lost 5 pounds this month, practicing better business. I opened my own website and my own shop, and taking care of the house. I was able to do some projects and some landscaping. The first Saturday of every month, my local library has an art journaling mixed media group, and then we might head out to lunch afterwards. But after that, I really want to sit down and plan my like February goals and be specific, so I feel more productive this month. I started this page while I was at art group with the little monkey cut out of a piece of paper and the music note paper that I layered. I finished the rest of everything when I came home, just with some information on the Chinese New Year, the Year of the Monkey for Year of the Rat 2020, and I just added some decoration. But while I was at art group, I signed up for a library card, and I am so excited because now I have access to, hello, Libby and Hoopla and free audiobooks. I want to start reading more in February. So a little bit of a change of plans. I went to the art group and there was so many people there that there wasn't enough room for everybody. They had to put out more tables, and it was a lot of like teenagers, so I didn't really want to film minors. And about halfway through the art group, I got a call and text from my neighbor. It was like, hey, is this your dog? She's in our pond. So I came right home. She was filthy and needed a bath. Now I'm gonna go work in the yard and hopefully find where she got out and fix the fence so this doesn't happen again. But she's being like really clingy and needy. So I don't know if she like did something wrong or if something happened or if she can tell that I'm stressed out, but I'm hoping that just spending some time outside, it's a beautiful California day, working in the yard will kind of calm my nerves, because I live really close to a busy street, so every time like a dog gets out or something, I just relive past experiences where I've lost dogs on this really busy street. So I always like it makes me anxious. So I'm gonna go outside and get some sunshine.
Spending time out in my garden has really helped me stay grounded lately. So one of my goals for 2020 is to do a lot of landscaping. After I worked in the yard for a while, I sat down in my craft room with a glass of wine and worked on planning for February. So on my tracker page, I track working out, meditation / journaling, and intimacy. I'm not crazy great at tracking, but it's something I want to improve on and things that I want to know. So I'm gonna try again for February. On my February monthly page, I already had some notes jot down and this washi tape. So I thought these stickers from In Love Arts, they're kind of like vintage steampunk, I don't know, floral with the, I don't know, creepy Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day theme. So I just kind of went with it. I don't usually use these monthly pages too much, just kind of for notes. I do a lot of digital planning for my like monthly view. Here you can see I'm going to try and squeeze February in, and I definitely don't have enough room, but I tried to fit it in anyways, and it looks kind of scrunched, but it's okay. It's just a planner, and I just roll with it. Like I said, I don't use these monthly spreads that much, just kind of for notes and like sketching out tentative dates. On the bottom, I'm just gonna add kind of a few monthly goals, like reading more now that I have a library card, managing my stress, because editing together all this January footage just felt like a lot of stress and whinging. I'm sorry. February is gonna be way more positive. I wanna work out. I want to get some landscaping and decluttering done around the house, and then of course working on my new website, and of course updating Etsy. This is also the kind of view that I use to plan out my social media. So YouTube videos, I want to try and do 2 a month. I also do a live stream every Monday at noon for Patreon, and then there are a few more art groups popping up in my neighborhood, so I'm really excited, and I added those to my planner. For this weekly spread, since it's like February and we're going on a Galentine's trip this weekend, I wanted to do something kind of like girly and pink and hearts and cutesy for Valentine's Day. So I went with this heart washi tape and these happy planner stickers for squad goals is the sticker pack, and they're so cute. They have these like girls in them, and I just thought it was fun because we're going on a girls trip this weekend, and I probably won't use my planner that much because I'll be out of town this weekend, so I didn't mind using a little bit more decoration, and it's like Valentine's Day, so we're going with it. I put a to-do section and a to-pack section because I have to bring my own air mattress and my own breakfast to this Airbnb, so I need to have a little packing list and some stuff to take care of before we go out of town this weekend to Santa Cruz. We have a little Airbnb and I'm so excited. I kind of want to vlog it and do like a Galentine's video, so I'm excited just to see all the girls and to get out of town. I did a little bit of block lettering and some watercolor brush pen ombre just to take up the whole weekend for this exciting girls trip. And I think I left, I don't know, this is a lot of stickers for me. I try not to add too many stickers to my planner, but I just went with it this week because I think it turned out so cute. I don't usually like to decorate this much. I like to leave a lot of room for my to-do list, but I'm just going to start filling out my to-do list for the week, and it just kind of gets filled out throughout the week. In the back of the book, I also want to do a kind of February favorites and reflections page. I did one for January, but I did it at the end of the month, so I had to kind of think back throughout the month about my favorites. My thought process for February is that if I have this page ready now, I'll be able to fill out my favorite things throughout the month and look back on them. So I just put down some cute little post-it notes and some goodies from a pen pal. One of the little post-it notes is going to be for ways to improve in February, and then on the right hand side I just did February favorites and a bunch of little heart bullet points and stickers and cuteness, just to keep me happy and go with the Valentine's Day theme. I also will have another page in the notes section in the back of the book for books. Now that I have a library card, I just want to kind of keep track of the books I read or listen to. This is where I just kind of go in and use more of these stickers. I have so many stickers, and I don't normally add a lot of stickers to my planner, but I want to use up all of my supplies, so I just thought it was kind of cute, and they went with these pages anyways, so we just kind of go with it and add all of the cuteness and all of the hearts everywhere. And that's going to be pretty much it for my February plan with me. It'll come together throughout the month. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please let me know. February hopefully will be a little bit more positive and full of love. Definitely full of more self-love. That's my goal. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on this video. It was a long one, and I appreciate you guys hanging in there. Also, thank you so much to my patrons who make videos like this possible. Check the description for any information mentioned in this video, and make sure you are subscribed, so I will see you in future videos. Bye guys!